UPS just dropped off my inverter. This isn't going to be a full unboxing or anything because, you know, I only have one hand, but here's all the, well, we call these Phoenix connectors. I'm not sure if that's the actual name for them or not, but all the interconnects for hooking up the wires. Here's the mounting backplane and documentation and all sorts of fun. Get those put away before we lose them. Oh, SMA Sunny Boy 7.7, although it doesn't look much different from my dad's 5 or 3.5. I think he's got 3.5. But yeah, we will have to get this thing installed soon. Problem being, I'm still in the midst of putting up the racking. The weather has been so bad with rain and such that I haven't been able to work much, and with it being early November, the days are really short here in Michigan. So front line's entirely done. I got 3 of the back line posts just sunk about half hour, 45 minutes ago. And that one on the end looks like it needs truing. But anyways, that's still, concrete's not set, so I can still do that. But as soon as this is set up, I'll hook the braces from there up, from there over, and we'll have a nice triangle to support these from wind load. Anybody that thinks that you can stick these up any height at all without supporting them is crazy. Just the wind. Here's a good along here. Here's just 2 fingers. I can make that whole thing wiggle and jiggle with just 2 fingers. Several times just on the load that it is, the gusts have wiggled it. So yeah, if you're gonna use unistrut, you're going to have to brace it. I'm even wondering, with these sticking out of the ground that far, if that's going to be kosher or not. If it's not, though, I've got some options and I'll change it out. But like I said, this may or may not be a good idea to use unistrut like this. Don't follow my example. Give me 3 or 5 years and I'll say whether it worked or not.